One of the largest bioglycol manufacturers wanted to harness the power of industrial IoT to improve product efficiency and utility monitoring. However, there were certain challenges that the organization was facing. Centralization of data and OT network security. Monitor air preheater pressure drop. Measure real-time boiler performance. Digitization for a brownfield scenario. Our industrial process specialists centralized their OT network to improve communication with their PLCs and DCS. We quickly identified the PLCs in the network using auto-discovery tools and used Kepware as the OPC server for data acquisition. Splunk was selected as a big data platform to ingest machine data and provide system intelligence. The analytics were focused on the boiler, which included mass and energy balance, fouling diagnostics, fuel and emission diagnostics, and actionable messages for shift managers. The solution paved the way for the organization to leverage the power of smart digital transformations. It helped them achieve integrated online boiler and turbine monitoring, improved visibility and transparency, improvement in boiler efficiency and energy savings. We are Carbon Tech.